want to see you deceased.
Look down to live and die in LA, California. What you say about Los Angeles? Still the only place for me. It never rains in the sun. To live and die in LA, where every day we try to fatten our pockets. Us niggas hustle for the cash, so it's hard to knock it. Everybody got their own thing coming, see chasing worldwide through the hard times, worrying faces. Shed tears as we bury niggas close to heart. What was a friend that was ghost in the dark? Cold part about it, nigga got smoked by a fiend, trying to floss on him, blind to a broken man's dream. A hard lesson, court cases keep him guessing. Plea bargain ain't the option now, so I'm stressing. Cost me more to be free than a life in the pen. Making money off of cuss words, writing again. Learn how to think ahead, so I fight with my pen. Late night down, sunset, like in the zen. What's the worst they can do to a nigga? Got me lost in hell to live and die in LA. On bails with my hands.
This your boy Mason 9333. We're on the famous Crenshaw and Slauson, where there is a hunt. Not being sarcastic, but they got these new, I guess, saddle rangers out here. Gone is the days of the old, you know, West. They got an African-American male who's in handcuffs. I guess they waiting to transport. It's looking more and more like slavery. I remember they used to run us down on horses, and you hear about slave stories with bloodhounds. But right behind me, African-American male who's probably intoxicated or high. Not sure what he's done. It hasn't came out yet over the scanner in regards of why all these saddle rangers ran him down. But obviously there is an arrest here of some horse rangers, which are LAPD, not to be funny about it. Not sure if they're Southwest or Newton Division, but however, they're starting patrols on horses on Slauson and Crenshaw, the famous spot not too far from All Money and Nipsey's Hustles Marathon Shop. So we definitely keeping an eye in this area in regards to how these patrols are going to pan out, because you know, not sure if it's the same as a car locking you in or a horse or vice versa, but it's definitely gonna be some questions asked in regards of what they can and can't do on a horse versus a car when it comes to, you know, arrest being made. So we're on the corner waiting for, I guess, someone to pick this young gentleman up. And, you know, definitely the change in the racial cleansing is in effect. So it's your boy Mason 9333. You watch A Million Hits 2018, the countdown to fall of 2018. Just want to tell everybody out there, keep your eyes open. Keep them camera phones ready. You know, film as much as you can, and gotta make those complaints if you feel your rights are being violated. Peace. It's your boy Mason 9333. We on Western and Manchester, where the Crenshaw takeover is being taken over by LAPD. I guess traffic division. So they coming with a few more cars. There you go. And just like the show Netflix, we're trying to see if they're gonna treat everybody nice, cruising. You know, you used to go on Crenshaw, be able to cruise, show your car off, but nowadays they're being so tight-ass about it. But I guess that's just the way it is since Trump is in office. So let's just see if they let everybody out. You know, so far they're doing a traffic break. People were doing donuts, you know, having fun, something to do on a Sunday, but, you know, it's not worth getting your car taken. But it's your boy Mason 9333 will definitely be monitoring, you know, Southwest as well as 77 for the Crenshaw takeover. You watching A Million Hits Back to School report. Peace.
I've been telling them this. I have a spinal cord condition. So therefore, what do you want me to do? Yeah, I'm very strong. I'll spend 2 months. Yes, I'm very strong.
It's your boy Mason 9333. We're on the corner of Manchester and Western, where there is a woman, African American male and female, African American female in a wheelchair who was just pulled over. Car doesn't look like it got plates, but however, after they searched the car, not sure how if she gave them consent, but apparently ended up pulling the firearms out of the car. So not sure if she got a warrant or something, not sure, but originally the car was just a regular traffic stop. Ended up being, you know, she has spinal injury to her spine, and that this is a special detail unit that's out here tonight for Metro. They're actually SWAT members. So real cop situation. Crenshaw Takeover kind of got ran off. They didn't really get a chance to set up, do their hook slides. SWAT got out here and they had a few shootings already. So definitely paying attention to the area of Western and Manchester all the way down to Century and Western.
It's here. Nobody of medical attention is here. They're just moving me. I don't have anything. I got a handcuff. I got a handcuff on. How can I relax when I got a handcuff on? I have a handcuff on. What is there to relax? I have a handcuff. Move out. Can you move out that way right there? Can you move out that way right there? Look. He said they got a handcuff. They got a handcuff. Look, I ain't got. I got here and here. I got it here and here. Where's the lady got? I don't know what y'all trying to do. Y'all got me in a position. This man lifted my booty. A man touching my booty. A man is touching my booty. Y'all got a man touching my booty. It's the place to be.
To live and die in LA.
It's the place to be. You've got to be there to know it. Everybody wanna see.
It's your boy Mason I3G3. So we're still here on Slauson and Western. So far, no one has showed up at the hospital. There's blood here at the scene. Actually, there's a bloody t-shirt and a trail of blood down the sidewalk. So in this nice Jaguar. Of course, the All Money Inn armored truck is posted right here. So I don't think that got hit in the shooting itself, but LAPD took out bulletproof vests. Looks like a few lock boxes where they pried it from the actual area, unscrewed it, and then later on about to unlock the contents, whatever that's in there. So kind of remind me of when Death Row got raided back in 2003, you know. But where one situation led to something else, and then larger charges are put on an individual. But he did do the song "Fuck Donald Trump," which makes you a target and everybody else who likes that song who are African American. So just seeing things kind of transfer over, and we're definitely gonna see the outcome of this investigation, and we're definitely putting out there a plea to stop or slow down the violence, quick mediation in this shooting itself, and a prayer for whoever was struck here on Western and Slauson, right behind me. Real quiet, everybody seemed to have left and went home for the day or go check on their loved one who's either in the hospital or possibly skint by gunfire. So it's your boy Mason I3G3. You watching the fall of a million hits, 2018. For the gone and never forgotten. Peace. Come on, y'all. Y'all gonna really do this, huh? Damn.
grateful that you guys are out here to stand with the family of Anthony Weber in demanding the autopsy report. We demand a full investigation in a chain of events.
In 1977, Jerry Brown put in action some laws, secrecy laws protecting police and the chain of evidence involved in police shootings and police activities. That was then, this is now. Times are different. This is 2018, and it's time for some of these laws to be changed that are protecting some of these killer cops. And if they're not killers, then let the information go so that there won't be so much doubt and suspicion in the community. I'm not just concerned about the autopsy. I'm concerned about a lot of things. The position of the shell casings, the crime scene.
Yes.
They ran to that crime scene for almost 12 hours. We don't have any pictures of the crime scene or the location of the shell casing. It just seems to me like they're going to corroborate their story to fit the evidence. Why don't they release some of the evidence so that we can start looking at it? I mean, this boy was killed. He was gunned down not 9 times, not 7 times, but there was 14 holes in that baby back and sides. I counted them myself. So let's get this stuff out. Let's have a little transparency with this investigation, because we're not going to forget. We're not going to forget what happened to AJ. Believe that.
To live and die in LA.
So what are we offering here today, sir?
We're here today to offer a $50,000 reward and then information related to the conviction and arrest in the murder of Hannah Bell, which occurred April 27th of this year at 78th and Western. At this point, all we have is substance description is a male black, in his 20s, wearing a black hoodie, and that's all the information we have at this time. So again, $50,000 reward for any information leading to the identity, conviction, and arrest of the suspect.
The number they can call or email?
You can call LAPD at South Bureau Homicide Division at 323-786-5113.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Same picture, but she laying down. Y'all, Lord, I miss this girl.
I know.
Oh, I miss this girl. My house don't even feel the same without her.
We know.
Been there 7 days.
We truly know.
This is not the same.
From that day. Not from out there.
So what do you want to say to the streets? It's basically who watching right
That
now.
was just on somebody else's page.
Tell something.
They posted today.
Come
Hero,
forward.
because you a hero.
Come on, exactly. It's no snitches, it's heroes.
That's
You
our
know,
new word the rest of this year.
Heroes. People who stand up are heroes. We're going to teach our little ones. We're going to teach the highest ones in the course. We ain't going to hear them on TV tonight calling them whistleblowers. No, they're heroes. We're not going to have say, wait, we got somebody in the community who just, no, they're heroes. People who stand up, we're going to use that, calling them heroes.
We're on the corner of Gage and Hoover where there's been an ambulance shooting. One person rushed to the hospital with a gunshot wound possibly to the back or the stomach. And another one here at the scene hurt from jumping behind the car, obviously hurting his shoulders from the gunfire. Now it was other shell casings up the street, could be similar, you know, where they was leaving and shooting at other cars. But however, in broad daylight with kids walking back and forth from school, you got people getting ambushed in a car at a liquor store. So definitely putting out there, you know, the kids are out, you know what I'm saying, and whatever personal beef you have, it's not worth just going to jail over. You know, if you can't put up the hands, then definitely need to resolve it. We had the taco, that's not actually the taco lady, but she does like these special drinks, having a gunfire right here at the scene. You know, she's here all the time, so y'all gotta be mindful of when and where y'all shooting, because kids come into the store all the time. You got people trying to get a loaf of bread, beer, whatever. So it's just LA. At the same time, we definitely gonna monitor this and see if the person makes it. It's your boy Mason 333. We're definitely praying for this person who was rushed in the hospital in serious condition. You're watching A Million Hits 2018. Back to school in the fall of 2018.
place to be.
And then
To be that to know it, where everybody wanna see.
to live and die in LA.
It's the place to be. You've got to be that to know it, where everybody wanna see.
It's the city of angels in constant danger. South Central LA can't get no stranger. Full of drama like a soap opera. On the curb watching the ghetto bird helicopter.